Hey everyone, today we're going to do an overview of everything social media on Simplified. Simplified has amazing tools that can help you stay organized with your team, can help you plan your content, and can even help you develop a social strategy based on data analytics from your social platforms. So whether you're a business owner, a freelancer, a student, or just looking to build some of your social media skills, this is definitely a video that can help you. So first, you can access all tools social media by using the social media tab in the top toolbar. This homepage will give you 3 different options for creating. You'll be able to schedule a post, do reports and analytics, and plan your content. You'll also see below that you'll see some of your upcoming social posts. And below that, you'll see all of our different tutorials. Simplified has tutorials for every single one of our features, so this is a great tool to use if you're feeling stuck or you want to explore. Let's first talk about publishing a post. We can use this schedule post button here, or we can use this publishing icon on the left-hand side toolbar. This will bring us to our calendar. We can see all of our different connected apps up here. If you use this 3-dot icon, you can add accounts by clicking this here, or you could open a full list to see all of your different connected social media pages. Simplified is compatible with Twitter, Pinterest, TikTok, LinkedIn, Instagram, Google My Business, YouTube, and Facebook. If you're a social media manager, I highly recommend using this team space icon on the left-hand side, which basically allows you to create mini workspaces within your larger Simplified account. Now let's talk about the calendar itself. You can view all of your posts either in calendar format, in list, feed, or grid format. Whatever you like, the content will always be the same. The post shown in the calendar reflects the highlighted icons here. So if you unhighlight an icon, that means the content from that social media account will no longer appear. Now let's talk about scheduling a post. It's very simple. You can either use this new post button up here in the upper right-hand corner, or you can go to your desired date and click this plus icon. You can use this light bulb icon, which will take you to all of our different templates and help you find some inspiration. So go ahead and click this plus icon. This window will open up. I want to post on Twitter, so I want to make sure that only my Twitter icon is highlighted. Now I can write in my post. I can also use the AI assistant right here to help me write my post. I'm going to use this plus icon to add media. I can either upload media directly from my device, or I can browse my media library. You'll have access to your projects, you'll have access to your assets, as well as Simplified's photo and GIFs libraries, and you'll also have access to your folders. Now that I've uploaded my media, I want to talk about hashtags. Simplified has an integrated AI, which is a tool that you absolutely should be using. I'm going to use this generate hashtag button. In seconds, the AI has generated SEO hashtags based on the text and the media in my post and has automatically pasted it into my post. I also want to briefly talk about snippets. Snippets are basically saved responses that you can create. This is a great tool to use if you have a team and you want to help them save time if they're writing the same content over and over. You can also add emojis, as well as this icon to make your post an image, which is a social media tool that many people like to use. You can use this reply button to automatically schedule a comment or a reply in the thread of this post. And in the top right-hand corner, you can use this preview post icon to preview what your post will look like on the actual platform. Now let's talk about these different options down here. I can either save this as a draft if I'm not quite ready to schedule it. I can click this schedule button if I'm ready to select my date and time, or I can use this drop-down menu to either add it to my queue or publish it right now. So I want to schedule this post. I'm going to choose my preferred date, choose my preferred time, and then click schedule. Now we can see that my post is ready to go, and Simplified will do all of the rest of the work for you. Now let's talk about the planner. I want to come to the planner icon here on the left-hand side menu. You can view all of your planned content either in board form, calendar form, or list form. You can see that we have 4 different columns here. We have our drafts, we have awaiting approval, we have ready to publish, and we have our rejected. This is the 4-step process that you can utilize when creating content. So first, drafts. You can use this 3-dot icon in the top toolbar to either request approval for this draft, which means that it would be moved to the awaiting approval column. You can do client review, which allows you to send an external link to an external user outside of Simplified, and I'll talk to you a little bit more about that later on. You can schedule the post right now, you can edit the post, you can share the post, and you can also delete the post. If you use that same icon in the awaiting approval comment, you'll have the ability to approve the post, reject, schedule, edit, send back to drafts, share, and delete. In Ready to Publish, you'll have the option to schedule, edit, send back to drafts, share, or delete. And let's say we want to reject this here. It will now show up in the rejected column. We can use that icon to request approval, client review, schedule, edit, share, and delete. Let's go ahead and select this post. And now I want to briefly talk about this comment tool. This comment tool allows you to communicate with anyone inside your Simplified team. You can tag a team member, leave a note, hit comment, and then this team member will now be notified in their inbox of this comment. They can reply to this comment, and then we can resolve the comment, I can edit the comment, and I can even delete the comment. You'll have this drop down here to see unresolved as well as resolved comments. I can use this share icon to get a link to share with anyone in my team, or if I toggle this on, I will receive a link that'll allow me to send this post to anyone externally as well. Something to note is this client review button. This is a place where you can create packages, so groups of drafts and posts that you can send to external clients. So this is really a great tool to use if you want to send multiple things to people outside of Simplified. You can create a new bundle by using this icon here, and then you'll be able to add posts. Your client will have the ability to approve and reject posts while also being able to leave comments for you in each post. We have a whole tutorial about every single detail of this process on our YouTube channel, so be sure to check it out. Now that we've covered the basics of the planner, let's return to the home page and quickly talk about this inbox feature. The inbox feature is a social media management tool where you can browse and reply to messages, comments, and mentions from all of these different social media networks all in one place. You can connect your LinkedIn, your Instagram, and your Facebook. If you use this drop down here, you'll be able to see all the different types of notifications, as well as the number of notifications based on each category. If you toggle this on, you'll be able to see your resolved and your unresolved comments. You can click through all of your different notifications. You can respond to this client's message right here. You can use this plus icon to add media, either uploading from your device or browsing Simplified's photo media library. You can include emojis, and you can even include snippets. Again, we talked about snippets briefly before, but snippets are quick responses that are already been typed out. So if you have people on your team who need to write the same content over and over, creating a snippet allows you to write that content in just a click. So you see all of this content just appeared by using that snippet. Go ahead and click this send button. Now that my comment is resolved, I can use this icon here to mark this as resolved, and it will disappear from my new notifications. I can also use these three dot icons to open this comment in the network or even delete it. Now let's return to the home page again, and let's quickly talk about analytics. You can access analytics either by clicking this here or by using this icon on the left-hand side toolbar. This feature allows you to track the data and social performance of each of your social media accounts. This tool can help you evaluate your post performance and inform your social media strategy based on the results. You can select which account you want to see by using this drop down here, and then you can use this drop down over here to select the time frame. You can choose from our presets of 7 days, 30 days, and 90 days, or you can use custom to select the specific dates you want to see data from. And then you can use this drop down here to select which metrics you want included in your data report. Anything that's toggled on will be included, and anything that's toggled off will not be included. You can see the data up here in numbers format, and if you scroll down, you can also see your data in graph format. I can use this drop down here to choose which metric I want to see in graph format, and I can use this three dot icon to either clone my chart to create a new graphic or to remove my chart. If I continue to scroll down, I'll be able to see a breakdown of each post and metrics included with each post. I can even use this dropdown at the bottom to include how many posts I want included in my report. If I continue to scroll down, I'll also be able to see a breakdown of fans and people's reached by gender and age. If you keep scrolling down, you'll also be able to see those two metrics of fans and reach based on countries, as well as cities. If I scroll all the way back up to the top, I'll be able to use this download report button to see a preview of my report, choose the form of PDF or PNG, and then click this download button, which will download this report straight to my device and is ready to share with team members or clients. Thanks for watching, guys. We'd love to hear from you in the comments, and check out our other tutorials to see more videos about how simplified social media tools can help you with your business every step of the way. See you there.